simply listen to these positive affirmations for health, wealth, love, and happiness. I live with abundance. I am healthy, happy, and wise. I am kind to others. Each day, I increase my financial IQ. I love being me. I respect the stressful times in life, knowing that happiness always returns. I make healthy choices for my mind, body, and spirit. I accept an abundance of good finances in my life. I see the world around me as full of abundance. I am in love with the joy of living, moving on from the past. My knowledge turns to wisdom, and my wisdom is shared with others. Love is a boat that I choose to float on. My state of balance is that of happiness. It is okay to feel all of my emotions. I enjoy the art of feeling. I am fully responsible for my life. I find happiness when I activate my awareness. I am courageous in all of my activities. I seek opportunities and I pursue them with bravery. I am calm and relaxed on a daily basis. Each night I get a full, restful sleep. It is easy for me to relax after a stressful day. Knowing I am loved by myself and others brings me peace. Making money comes easy to me. I accept a wealth of abundance. I have a keen awareness of how to make healthy choices. I know which foods are healthy and which foods to avoid, and I am always well disciplined in the act of mindful eating. I feel happy when I make positive choices for myself. I feel happy when I extend kindness to others. Expanding my financial IQ through research and learning makes me a wealthy human being. I let go of all negative beliefs about being rich and living in abundance. I deserve to be successful in all areas of my life. I am confident and happy in the way I present myself. I am naturally driven and motivated to take life on. My body is in perfect health. My mental state is in that of order. My thoughts are working for me, not against me. I see a happy moment in every single day. The more I notice happiness, the more it comes to me. I am aware of how healthy my body is. I am grateful for my healthy body. I am thankful that money flows to me in many different ways. I use my intelligence and bring value to the world. I am a great listener. I am dedicated to improving my health and overall well-being. Love comes to me in many different avenues. I am grateful for my senses, my eyes, my ears, my nose and mouth, and fingertips. I'm grateful for a strong immune system. Making healthy choices is something I'm passionate about. I trust my intuition to guide me towards the best possible outcome. I am refreshed and energized after every night of long, restful sleep. I am able to relax when I need to relax, and able to take action when it's needed. Each day I make improvements in my life in all areas. I have the power within me to change anything I'd like about myself. I take care of my finances by diligently learning how to invest. I take control over my financial wealth. It is my responsibility. I'm constantly learning, growing, and becoming better every single day. Being wealthy is my way of life. I let go of all negative beliefs that have been holding me back. Simply repeat these affirmations on a daily basis, embedding them in the subconscious mind. Namaste.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight to the point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.